Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone so recordings work reliably. Open Cube ACR, grant microphone, phone, and storage permissions. This lets the app capture calls and save files. Once done, make Cube the default call recording app if prompted. This prevents interruptions. Also enable overlay and ignore battery optimizations so recording persists during long calls. Finally, make a quick test recording or voice note to verify input levels and file saving. That confirms the app and permissions are correctly set. You now configure how Cube captures audio and which calls are recorded. In Settings, pick Auto Recording Rules. Incoming, outgoing, or specific contacts, this saves you manual taps. Next, choose Format and Sample Rate. Higher rates give clearer audio but larger files. If you use VoIP apps, enable VoIP recording and test each app because Android variants behave differently. Make sure you set the correct audio source and enable noise suppression for clarity. Then decide on auto-delete rules or link cloud backup for space management. You begin recording by placing or receiving a call. Use Cube's overlay to pause, resume, or mark key moments. This helps when reviewing later. Once the call ends, open Cube's library to play back, trim unnecessary sections, add tags, or export recordings to cloud storage for safekeeping. If you run into issues, first confirm permissions and overlay access, then switch the audio source, reboot your device, or reinstall the app. That sequence fixes most problems quickly. Keep storage and backups monitored to avoid accidental loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.